welcome back to my bathroom. I don't know if you know, but we're gonna do a hair video this week. Hope you're excited. I'm excited. No, I'm not cutting it. That will come soon, I promise, because I cut an undercut in my hair. Whoa, my voice. I cut an undercut in my hair like 2 years ago, and I'm kind of over it, so I'm growing it out, and this is where it is now. So I'm going to grow that out, and as soon as it's long enough for me to put it in like a low pony, I'm just gonna chop it, and I'll donate whatever's left, because I believe it's long enough to do that. I'll probably be cutting it myself again, so I'm sure you'll see it. Wait for it. It's gonna be great. So this week, though, I'm gonna be practicing the hair that I want to do for my Halloween costume if I decide to dress up at all. I'm probably just gonna be handing out candy at home, which I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, maybe watch a scary movie or something. Freddy Krueger. So I'm going to dress up as Debbie Thornberry. Any 90s kids out there? One of my favorite shows growing up was about Thornberrys, so I'm really excited to try it out. As you know, if you have ever watched the Thornberrys, she has really big hair, really curly, long hair. Obviously my hair is not as long as hers is, so it's gonna be shorter than actual real life. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair now. I just got out of the shower. I shampooed it, but I didn't put any conditioner in because I feel like if my hair cuticle is like open, my hair will have more volume, and that's what we're going for. So we're gonna try it out, see how it goes. I'm gonna get to blow drying. Okay, we're pretty dry. So what I'm gonna do is use a 3-barrel waver. I think this one is a 1-inch 3-barrel waver. So each little barrel is 1 inch. Sorry if you hear the trash man, it's trash day today, so they're driving by. So my hair is really fine, and I like to think it's pretty healthy. So it doesn't hold curl at all. 30 minutes later, the curl falls out. So we're going to be using lots of hairspray. I like to use this one. It's the Dove Styling Care. I go for the extra hold, number 5, because of the stupid hair. That's healthy. Come on, I gotta damage my hair in order for it to hold a curl. And then to add a little bit of texture, I'm gonna use some dry shampoo. This is the one that I have. It was just at the store, so. I don't really have a favorite. I haven't used that many. I've only used this one. And I think Dove had one that I tried, but I don't remember which one I like better. They all work the same. This one does say that it's for fine hair, instantly absorbs oil, long-lasting fragrance, breezy, tropical. Perfect for October, right? So I'm just gonna spray this on my roots as I go, and then I'm gonna spray this on the length of my hair as I go, just to give it some extra hold, and it'll hopefully give it extra texture too, so it'll be bigger. Are you ready? The best thing to do is when you're curling your hair, straightening your hair, anything, do it in layers. Obviously I have an undercut, so I get to skip the bottom, and then I just do like 1 inch or 2 tall, and then just use a clip. I prefer to use broken ones because they just always break. So I just hold that with a clip and then go for it. Do it in little sections. My hair's already getting super tangled as I go, so the no conditioner trick I think is doing as good. So I spray the hairspray, and then it gets a little crunchy because it's the extra hold. And then I just brush it out once it's dry, and I can feel the texture that it left behind. And then this thing sometimes leaves a crease at the end. So I try to hold it up like this so that it doesn't have a line right there. And then you just move it down. Try not to pull on it as you go, otherwise you'll lose the curls closer to your roots, right? And then leave it crunchy like that until you're done with your whole head, and then you'll want to run your fingers through it at the very, very end. Like, don't even touch it right now until you're done. Once you have a section curled, you can also spray it again with some hairspray. Okay, so that's done. Move on to this side. Alright, here's the trick. I always burn this ear. We'll see how it goes. One layer done. We're gonna go on to the next one. And then just like an inch or two above that line, separate your hair again. Twist it up. And then clip it on the top of your head like a really weird. Here, you think I'd just go like this? Some straight, some wavy. Such a tedious task. This is why you'll never see me with my hair done. Always wrapped up in a bun because I don't have the patience to do my hair, ever. And I always double check the back because I swear I always have like one straight piece back there. But I think I got it all so far. And then I'll do 2 more sections. So I always part my hair on the side, so this side will be done after this, and then this little top piece will be the last section. Last piece. Pretty excited. Just want to be done. It's pretty big already, but wait for this. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and just like run my fingers through it to separate all the little pieces. Okay, so it's a little bigger. And then I was thinking about doing a little bit of back combing in my crown just to make it up like hers is. Alright, I got this thing at the mall probably like 10 years ago. And I swear it's like the best back combing comb ever. So there's like 3 rows of... There's hair in it. There's 3 rows... Hey, look at Tutson. 3 rows of teeth, I guess you call them. So it's kind of like a cross between a brush and a comb. But I feel like it works really well. So, I'm just gonna do a couple sections here in the back. And then Debbie Thornberry's hair is kind of like a triangle on the top. And in the front, I don't really know how I'm gonna go about doing that, but we'll figure it out. I don't know if I'm gonna worry about the shape necessarily as much as the volume. Nice and frizzy. I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah. Well, I think that's pretty good. Obviously, it could be better. If I had like naturally curly frizzy hair, it'd be really easy piece of cake. Just like blow dry it and it'd probably be ready to go. Maybe let it dry naturally and then brush it. But I think this is good. I will try to include a picture of myself if I do decide to dress up as her for Halloween. So you can see the finished project. I have a pair, I don't really know what I'm gonna do for clothes. I have a orange like camisole and then a green plaid shirt, flannel kind of. It's not flannel, it's like cotton, but it's plaid. So I could wear that. And then for my pants, I have either a black pair of skinny jeans that have tears in the knees like hers, or I have a loose pair of regular blue jeans that are boot cut. And I could either just wear those as is, or I could cut holes in the knees. I don't know if I want to ruin a pair of jeans, or alter a pair of jeans, I should say. I might just do it because why not? And then I have some boots that I could wear, or I could just wear my Chucks. So we'll see what I decide on doing. Yeah. I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you like. I mean, it was kind of cool, right? If you liked this video and you want to see more hair videos from me, whether they are cutting, hair tutorials, braids, I'm pretty good at braids. Maybe I'll do a braid video for you guys. Just let me know in the comments so that I know what you guys like, because I don't know. I'm just doing what I want to do. So let me know what you think. Go ahead and follow me on here, Facebook, YouTube, whichever you prefer to watch on. That way you can see my videos when they are posted. Share this post if you want to, and I will see you next week. Thanks. Bye. Cord always gets too. I don't know.